Kustaa Adolfinkatu. Kustaa Adolfinkatu on one staircase, Kokkola, Finland. Amazing old Geijer Hissi all the way there. Let's ride it. 4 persons or 325 dirhams. That's in 1984, turning 35 years old here this year, 2019. I'm just going to be inspected again. A508. Let's ride it. 6 floors. We thought this was locked up, but it was open. It will be open in the day. Some places with these intercoms can be open.
Yeah.
Maybe the one with the mechanical fork, we have to check it out. That one might also be open.
Yeah.
Inspected by a spectrometer by Connie. I think air is more rare.
Yeah.
We should try this, the other staircase too.
Yeah.
But it's a bit slow, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe one rise is enough.
Yeah.
Oops.
That's
That's it.